Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to handle a radio button using Selenium. See here there are two radio buttons. Any one we can able to click and we can able to validate. Validate means we can able to use like whether that particular dropped radio button is selected or not, or whether it is enabled or not, or it is displayed or not. These three conditions we can able to test using this Selenium, and we can able to validate whether that particular radio button is selected or not. And before that, please go through my previous video how to checkbox. That video I made it, and you can go through that video. And the similar way I'm going to show for this radio button also. Here, this is the radio button having ID, name, value, a type is attributes, and these values we can able to use and we can able to find our proper radio button to click. See here is a web element and radio button and driver dot find element by dot ID I choose, and here is the ID value is female. Then reusing purpose I use for web element to storing that one, and radio dot is selected, whether it is selected or not. If it is selected, it will return a boolean value. Then I need to store boolean a value like, and driver is selected, is selected, radio dot is selected, and then I'm going to use if condition u equal to a true. Okay, if it is true, then I'm going to print sys out already selected, already selected. Okay, if no means, if it is given false means that particular radio button is not selected, then I am going to do for radio dot click. Means if it is not selected, then you can able to go on click and select. And another conditions like boolean o1 and equal to radio dot is displayed also, it will give true or false. Means if bo1 equal to true, then I'm going to display message like sys out value is displayed. Okay, if not displayed means that particular web element is presented, then it will give true. If no means it will not present. Okay, then another condition ours is boolean do2 and radio dot is enabled, means is enabled whether that particular radio button is clickable or not. If clickable, then it will, we need to print yes it is enabled, vo2 equal to true. If it is enabled, then I need to print enabled. Okay, if no means not enabled. Not enabled. Okay, now in this four three conditions we are going to check now, and I'm going to here running this particular test case and able to verify whether these three conditions are satisfied or not. Now it is searching for browser. Now it is going to launch for Chrome browser. Now it is taking the URL, and once it is taken the URL, it will maximize that browser. Yes. Now see, it is selected female also. Now we can able to see here there are two values it is given. Correct? Value is selected, second one, and here is this one. Means the top value which is a female. Here it's already selected, means the value it is previous it is selected, means it will give this value because it is not displayed that value, right? Means it will display and only this to enable. Correct? Means already is not selected, means it is a false. That's why it is taken radio button dot click, and it is selected female radio button. Like this we can able to handle a radio button using Selenium and Java. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.